Let's unbox this 8K Ultra HD camcorder. This thing is loaded with features. It connects to your Wi-Fi. Again, it shoots in 8K. It does video, it does still photos. It's got an 18x digital zoom and a 3-inch touchscreen display. Here's what you get in the box. Here's your user guide, a couple of batteries. Batteries look like this. The thing is, this is a really common battery design for these camcorders. So if you want to stock up, if you want to get the separate charger, you definitely can. Comes with a USB-A to USB-C charging cord. Comes with a remote, which is really great for content creation so that you don't have to be going back and forth to do the controls yourself. This will control your power, flash, still photo, start and stop on your video. It will do a playback for you, your zoom in, zoom out, different select buttons, menu, and mode. Comes with a 32 gig memory card. That's really nice that this is included. It comes with an external microphone, which is really nice. Some people call these bullet mics or shotgun mics, but it attaches with this cold shoe base, and it's got another attachment on top so that if you want to attach a light or other device up top, you can. It's got settings of off, low, and high, and there will be a power indicator light there so you can tell that it's on. It'll plug into the unit with this audio jack really easy. And then let's look at the recorder itself. So these remind me of a little like Sony Handycam design. I love this one. This is really smooth. Some of them are really square and boxy. It's got a nice wrist strap here, lens cap. There's your 18x zoom lens. I love that this does night vision. It's got a 64 megapixel resolution. 18x zoom is amazing. This is where your SD card will go, and then this is where your battery will go. They usually come with a little bit of a pre-charge. Let's go ahead and put that in and see. I'm not sure if it will record. There's your welcome screen. This is nice. Wow. We'll go ahead and take the lens cap off. There we go. It's preset to 5K, 30 frames per second. You can see all the different settings that you have on the screen here. Your exposure, your color balance, your ISO. Here's your menu button, resolution, quality, and on and on. Now it won't record without the SD, so let's go ahead and power it back down, put the SD card in, and then we'll do a test record here. Really easy one-handed operation on opening that battery compartment where the SD card goes. Just pop that right in. Here's your cold shoe attachment. This is just a little placeholder to keep dust out if you're going to attach the microphone. You've got your zoom controls here on top. Also, this is your photo shutter button, so if you want to grab a still photo, you just push that button right on the top. Your inputs are back here in this little door. So this is where your microphone will plug in, your HD or your USB. Control buttons are right here, as you can see. I just love this touch screen. It's so nice. Let's go ahead and record. And here's your record indicator light on the bottom to tell you that it's actively recording. Super smooth control. You've got your battery indicator, you've got your SD card indicator, just all the different controls. It's got so many features here already. Let's go and play that back. And this records in MP4 mode. There we go. It's playing back the little video that I just recorded. I'm going to go ahead and exit this. Now I want to change that resolution and go all the way up to 8K. It does 5K. Well, it defaults to 5K. It also goes down to 4.7, 4K, 4K, 2.7, 1080p. It's funny, who would have thought we would see the day where 1080p was low resolution? So 8K, we'll set it at this, and then we'll record here. Now we're recording in 8K. Again, really smooth operation. I love that you can just carry this around on vacation. It would be really nice little device. It does night vision again. So many features. It's got your 1/4-inch screw here on the bottom so you could mount it to a tripod. And there's your easy access for your battery and your SD card. One-handed operation there. And again, one more look at your inputs. Super easy to access, and this cover keeps them nice and protected. Your shutter button and your zoom controls right there on top. It's a really great compact unit. I'm really impressed with the 8K Ultra HD resolution for the price. I think this is a great product.